Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear Swami, I offer my humble salutations at your lotus feet. Please speak through me. Sarvam Brahmamayam. Divinity is present everywhere, in the minutest nuclei of an atom, or even smaller than that, or pervading the entire universe as well. But this divinity walked in Puttaparthi, in Prashanthi Nilayam, as this incredible power of love, unconditional love, patience, and living the value of truth, and showing us that through this amazing things can be achieved. And this being is always with us and guiding us and guarding us, but sometimes it helps us to go back and connect with the feeling of that unconditional love, that universal truth, the abundance of peace in Prashanthi Nilayam. And I would like to share one particular incident where I've experienced this unconditional love that goes beyond time and space. It was 2010 when we were all going from the USA as part of the Parthi pilgrimage. And this was a time when my youngest daughter was recovering from a major spinal surgery. But through Swami's miracle, she was well enough to be able to travel, and we as a family were fortunate enough to be in the divine presence for a week, and especially on her birthday at that time. And I was yearning that even though Swami has shown us in multiple occasions that he has been the one who has protected her, I was yearning for him to just look at us once. Especially on her birthday, I was yearning for him to come and bless her. I had this akshata in my hand, and I was hoping that he would come closer to us and bless her. But we couldn't get a seat close enough to be with Swami. But through some miracle, there was an occasion where he was coming closer to us, and he looked straight at my daughter Satya. And I felt relieved, although there was like a slight pang that I couldn't offer him the akshata, and he didn't get a chance to bless her. And he went straight to our group's leader, and he spoke to her something. But I didn't hear anything from her, and she doesn't know much about me at that time. And 7 years later, we had another chance to be in Prashanthi Nilayam as part of the pilgrimage again. And this time, we were having cultural program practices, and we were having an SSC program where children were also going on tour around the Prashanthi Nilayam. There was one person who came up to me out randomly, and she said, "Is this your fan?" And we just, that was the start of our conversation. But she said, 7 years ago on this particular day, that was again 7 years later, my daughter's birthday. She said, 7 years ago on this particular day, I was right behind my team leader, and Swami walked straight up to her and asked her, is there a child in your group who was not feeling well? How is she doing now? I was in tears, and both my daughters were with me, and we witnessed that incredible love from Swami, even though we didn't get to witness it on that particular day. But 7 years later, we realized that Swami was inquiring about our youngest daughter through our team leader, who didn't know about us at that time. So it was just an amazing full circle for us, and these are all some of the small things that happen which has profound impact in our heart. And this is why I always yearn to go back to Prashanthi Nilayam. Hope this inspires you to make a trip there. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.